Well, good morning, traders. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. You're in the live trading room. Welcome. Glad you're here. Here's yesterday's charts. Boy, really flat afternoon yesterday. Once we had that initial climb, did end up taking four trades yesterday. We had this bit of a swing high this morning. But interestingly, had the one call trade first thing in the morning, then took a put trade, which didn't work out, took another put trade, which did work out, and then took a call trade a little after 11 for plus 15. So ended up being four trades for plus 51 for yesterday. So it was a good start for Monday. SPY closed at, let's get over here, closed at 631.15 and it's currently sitting at 651.32, which gives us a gap play. So that gap fill will be 631.28. Make it 631.23. 23. Let me make a note of that real quick. 631.23 will be the gap fill and trigger. And we'll explain more about, since we have new folks here, explain more about what the gap is and how we play that. So let's move up to current time. It was real flat overnight. Get rid of that. Come over to the 5th. We have 1.283 million already traded on the underlying, so we're over a million in pre-market volume. I will likely start at the 630 on the call side and the 633 on the put side. And that's where we'll be on that. So, ladies and gentlemen, say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yesterday I only had two trades. Actually, still in the put trade from yesterday, so still hoping things are going to go down here today or tomorrow. Had one positive trade for 10 cents. So anyway, in that. This morning we had three announcements at 8:30 this morning. Good in services trade balance and just a good trades balance. And the good in trades balance was the same as last month. The other one was slightly better than anticipated. We will have two announcements at 9:45, the PMI reports. So we'll have to remember that. And also a number of ISM reports at 10 o'clock today. We'll have a 52-week bond auction at 11:30, and at 1 o'clock we'll have a 3-year note auction. And that's it there. I'll still be trading this Friday's expiration, the 8th, on any new trades, and again looking to get out of that put trade hopefully today. And that's about it from here.
Okay, thank you for the report today, sir. Appreciate it. And as usual, you want to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks on each of your charts so that we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. I know I say it every single day, but it is true every single day. We want to always be doing the same thing from day to day. Okay, we're coming up on 30 seconds before we start. There it is. Let's make it another good day. It was a good day Monday. We'll make it a good day today and make it a good week. All right, there's 15 seconds. There's 10 seconds. Stand by, everybody. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there's the bell, and we are in. Waiting for the broader markets to report. Dow is just about even, so about +3 minus now. NAS is up by 25. S&P is up by 4. So really close to the center line on the broader markets. Price moving down. Price looks like it stopped. There it goes. Price coming back up. And just a reminder, we don't typically trade the first 5 minutes unless we get a breakout like we did yesterday. And we traded that for a nice gain. Price coming back down again. Everything well below VWAP. Oh, let's see what our MACDs are doing. MACDs are both in the put bias position, although the 1 minute is curling up. Comes price heading down again. Nope. Dow's now up 50, Nas up 10, S&P's up 4. You got 2,400,000 traded on the underlying in our third minute of the market. All 3 minutes are above 100,000. So good volume so far. Market maker just trying to find a direction. All right, price coming back down again. Really nothing yet trade wise. Waiting for a breakout. Still everything's above 100,000 in our fifth minute, starting our sixth.
I'm going to put a pseudo supply zone there in the top of that first candle.
Okay. I will do the same.
Keeps trying to get down close to yesterday's high and bounces off of that.
Mm. Right. It's a pseudo supply zone based on that first 5 minute candle, the height of the first 5 minute candle. Price moving up toward, trying to move up toward the supply zone. And price breaking out a little bit on the top side. See if you can break through. Right, it's beginning to break through. So we'll keep an eye on the 631 on the call side. 631 strike call. Broader markets are all positive. Dow's up 92, Nas up 38, S&P up 8. Eye on the 631 strike call. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 631 and I am filled at 194. All right, stand by to take profit. Yeah, don't come back down. Try to just get a dime out of this.
Exactly 10 cents.
Was that a shame?
10 cents I got from that.
You did. All right.
193 to 203.
Very good.
I don't think I said, but I got into that too for 428.
Okay. You didn't, sir.
I'm going to try to get 10 cents on that also. And we do have a demand zone also.
Yes, we do. We'll get in on that in a second.
Tim, are you still in?
I am still in.
Okay.
Come on, let's break out from here. Not that direction. That direction.
Come on, get up there.
Let's put in a demand zone while we wait on this.
Come on, get on up there.
Got a report coming up, two reports coming up here.
Yep.
Tim, how was last Wednesday afternoon? I was out of town all week last week.
Oh, we had a good Wednesday, really good Wednesday last week.
Rats.
Yeah, a lot of great price movement. But the price movement happened on the press conference, not on the actual announcement last week.
Huh.
So it was a little different, but we had about 6 trades.
Wow, good for you.
Yeah.
All right.
Glad you're back. Missed you last week.
We had that two announcements come out at 9:45.
Thank you.
Okay.
Come on, get on up there.
I was up in hot Milwaukee,
Ooh,
where I go to escape the heat.
okay. Let's go ahead and take profit.
Yep.
There we go. Came out at 215, 194 to 215.
And I got
So,
12 cents on that.
all right. Just as I was getting out of that trade, caught that little push up at the end there of that minute.
Same here. So I'm glad I had my order in at that point.
Mhm.
For some reason, I had opened two sets of contracts on that. So I got, what did I get? I got 12 cents, no, 10 cents on one and 13 cents on the other.
Okay.
Was not my intent.
Let's see if we're going to continue our breakout up. We do have a legit supply zone. So I'm going to move that up and move the price level up. There we go. Dow is up 83, Nas up 74, S&P up 15 with 5,549,000 traded on the underlying. And I'm going to go back to the 631 on the call side, 631 strike call. So we may be going into some consolidation here. Looking at this sideways movement. Going to wait for another breakout up if we get it. So remember how price moves, just goes from consolidation to breakout to consolidation to breakout. Price coming down, breaking through the supply zone. The price is going to bounce off of VWAP here a little bit. Maybe working on another supply zone just above the one we are currently. Price coming down. Oh. All right, keeping an eye on the 631 on the call side. Price coming down rather significantly. Dow's gone negative now, down 9.
Got just about 2 minutes till the pop at the top.
Okay.
I did move that supply zone up just a tad.
Yes, sir. We'll do that as well. All right, got less than a minute till the pop at the top. Now, if you're new with us, you're not familiar with the pop at the top. This is something that happens on the top of the first hour of the session. We tend to see a larger batch of volume come in and more of a price move come in right at 10. We just don't know which way it's going to move. So we tend to hold off on a trade until after 10 if we're within a few minutes of the top of the hour. Something that we have just noticed over the years that the market maker likes to make a move right at that. It can be dependent on news or a report coming out. See, there it is. Right at 10. See how price just dove down? And volume is coming in
Fill the gap.
and fill the gap.
Now, we'll see if it stays down there. But
Yeah.
it's been a while since we've had a drop at the pop.
Yeah, that's true.
Dow currently is down 50, NASDAQ's up 47, and S&P's up 2.
Yeah, nearly 400,000 traded on that minute. 4 times as much as the previous minute. More than that, actually.
Come on, time for a sell-off. There we go.
All right, I'm going to head over to the put side to the 632 on the put side. S&P's gone negative now. Can't quite decide which direction it wants to go. Five-minute MACD is crossed over to the put bias side.
PMI numbers missed their mark by a little bit, hence the pullback.
Okay, 632 on the put side, stand by. It's opposite.
Tim, you didn't enter, right?
No, not yet. But I'm going to enter it right now. Now trying to. Pass me by. I'm going to try the 632 again. Okay, got in that time for 215. Yeah, not that direction. Come on, let's do a crazy Ivan here. All right, stand by to get out of this. Let's go ahead and get out of this. Come on back down. Come on. Come on. Come on back down. Come on. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Come on.
You still in that, Tim?
Yeah, I still am. Couldn't get out at the top. And then it returned. Sitting at break even now.
Okay. I got a ways to go to get to break even on mine.
Yeah.
If we get a good strong move down, I may open some more of those contracts on that.
Mhm.
But I got to see some more positive moves down before I would do that.
Yeah.
I guess technically we can move that demand zone down a little bit.
We certainly can. I'm going to put a new one in here. I'll duplicate this. See at the 217. Come on.
In the general markets, the Dow's down 112, NASDAQ's up 18, and S&P's down 8.5. 11.3 million underlying traded.
Down.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
All righty. I'll be right here. All right, I'm going to take some profit here. Take it right now. And out at 239, 215 to 239. So I had to wait for a few minutes on that, but that came through.
Oh, there we go. Did you get out?
I did. Got out
Good.
to 24 cents.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Now SPY continues to come down. We'll look at hitting a put again. Hmm. Price trying to come down. There we go. All right, I'm going to head back over to probably the 629 on the put side.
That's a good number. That's the one I'm in.
Is that the one you're in?
That's the one I'm in. I'll sell it to you for a great price.
I'll bet. I'll bet you will. All right, still looking at the 631 on the put side. Getting a crazy Ivan there. Up to 13,128,000 traded on the underlying. Everything is negative on the broader markets. Dow is down 143, Nas down 16, S&P down 14 and a half. Just a few minutes under 100,000. Everything else has been at or above 100,000. So good volume. All right, stand by on the 631 on the put side. I'm going to enter this 631. Filled at 207. Stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and just take some profit quickly on this out at 220, 207 to 220. So I got 3 trades plus 58.
Only 58? Oh my
Yeah.
God. Fantastic.
That's all you can make, Tim?
Is that all I can make?
Yeah.
I hope not, Ashim. Price in a bit of a reversal right now. See how far this goes. One minute, MACD's crossed back over to the call side. Comes price back down again. That was a short-lived reversal. All right, there's another demand zone. Let's go ahead and put that in as we continue down. 63. And we'll turn this one gray because it's a former zone now. All right, we're a little past 1 hour in. We've got 14,790,000 traded. Dow is down by 136, Nas down by 40, 44, S&P down by 18, almost 19. And price continues to drop. Well, Keith, you're getting your sell off.
Yeah. The premium has to go down about another dollar to break even for me. So,
Mm-hmm.
but heading in the right direction.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I have to go back over to the 630 on the put side. 630 strike put. This is really good volume for this time of the morning. We generally see it start to fall before 100,000 well before this. Like when it was falling at 947, around those times. But volume has stayed pretty steady here and price is continuing to drop. We've been riding highs in the market for so long. We are due for some, some correction. Hey, would you guys excuse me for 1 minute? I'll be right back.
We got a doji there on that last candle. Maybe running out of steam going down.
Okay, I'm back.
Got a doji on that last candle too.
Oh, yeah, look at that reversal. And still plenty of volume coming in. I doubt this will be a full-fledged reversal. Like I said, didn't think it would be a full-fledged reversal.
What we call a nanny boo boo.
If you all want to get into another put trade, you probably can. I'm probably going to hold off. I don't want to give anything back at this point, but clearly the market is selling off.
I
pretty
just
strongly.
picked one, 219 to 233.
Good for you. Way to go, Sheem.
All right, I'm within 50 cents of break even now.
All right.
Mm.
our MACD on our Heikenhausing MACD, lower right, is getting pretty low. Just be aware of that. Our 5-minute is already down to negative 1.8. Now, it doesn't mean that this is necessarily stopped, it just means we're getting closer to a reversal.
Come on, keep going down. Nah, come on, get down there.
Now, price may have gotten down to a point where it starts to look like a real bargain. But look at this. Price continuing to come down. Pretty significantly, too. Wow. Keith, you may get out of this yet.
I am. I'm break even now.
Are you?
Let me see if I can. I got 10 cents on it. Did I? Oh, and the one I counted, Phil, the other one didn't yet. Come on. Come on.
Little rebound here.
Come on. A little bit further here. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ivan. Down, 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 down.
That just crossed over 20 million on the underlying. See if SPY has one more price drop in it. And it does.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, I don't want to give any of my money to them.
Nope. Nope. Stop where you are, Ashim.
Yeah, I think I should stop.
Hmm.
Thanks.
Come on. Come on down. Here we go. Come on down. Here we go. Come on down. Come on.
All right, we've got a new demand zone. Go ahead and put that one in.
Come on
Turn
down.
this previous one gray while we wait for Keith to get out of this trade.
Got the order for like 10-cent gain, which is just above yesterday's low.
Uh-huh.
I think it's still going to get there. Again, my one account, I already got 10 cents on. I'm just waiting for the 10 cents on the other account. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Get down. Yeah, come on down. I may settle for just a slight loss on this because I'm going to be away from my computer the rest of the day at the county fair.
Mm-hmm.
But come on, down you go. Yeah.
Will you sell your pieces, Keith, or just show them?
No, just show them. Yeah. Come on, down you go. Still get reasonable volume, Tim.
Yeah. Price may have reached a bottom here.
Come on.
Quite an angle on our 5-minute MACD.
Come on down. There we go. There we go.
All right, come on down. All right, guys. Well, we've got it's the top of the hour, 11 o'clock. That's going to be it for us this morning. I do believe Keith's going to get out of this profitably.
Yeah, I'm going to just keep an eye on it here. Hopefully in the next 10 minutes or so, I can be out of this in the
Yeah.
other account too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, guys, thank you for being here this morning. We had a
Yep.
great morning. 3 trades up 58. Hope you all had a great morning as well. And we will see you tomorrow.
Yep. All right. Thanks, Tim. Thanks, everybody.
All right. Have a good afternoon, everybody.
Thanks, guys.